You don't just ride, you invest in the experience. Meet the 60S EVO, the professional evolution of the world's most trusted intercom. It starts with the sound. Integrated sound by Bose delivers a studio-quality acoustic experience. We've included 2 universal clamp kits in every box. 1 module, 2 helmets, ready for any ride, without the hassle. Total flexibility for the modern rider. The EVO features ANC earbud support, so you can use your Sena ANC earbuds. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, the 60S EVO handles any condition, even if the storm hits. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, it's the ultimate standard in reliability. The Sena 60S EVO. Professional, versatile, guaranteed.
Connected.